Now, if we go ahead and try to cut this sheet with this curve, plasticity will give us probably an error because the curve has the same shape as the edge from this sheet. This causes conflicts when you try to cut. But let's try anyhow. Select this one, press C, and then as the cutter, select this curve. Plasticity gives us the finger, and if you press OK, fail to cut body into sections. Plasticity doesn't give us a reason for this failure. I guess it's because of this overlapping situation. So therefore, select this curve and make it slightly smaller so there aren't such conflicts. Press SS, make it slightly smaller. Be careful that this curve doesn't overlap with the edge of the sheet whatsoever. After scaling it, also change the position. Now the curve is in the area of the sheet and there aren't any intersections with the edge of the sheet. Now we can try to cut again. Select the sheet, press C, and now the cutter, there aren't any errors and you can see already the cut. Let's press OK. Now we can delete this one.